Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 VW Tiguan Elegance. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 187 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 33 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 26 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 16,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the metallic deep black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. Being the Elegance, the car comes very well equipped with features such as the Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has heated front seats, climate control, active cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and you've also got the control there for the heated steering wheel on the right hand side. Also the car comes with automatic headlights and wipers, and finally on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls, and just at the bottom there you've got your electric tailgate switch. The Tiguan's a great SUV for the family, so good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers control the temperature on their own air vents there in the centre. And it's good to see the car's got the original VW floor mats as well. As I previously mentioned, the tailgate's electric, so quick touch of the button and the tailgate opens automatically. With the rear seats, they can be split and the parcel shelf is still in place. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.